moment, carried away from who you are. You're caught up in nothing, wasting your time, chasing stars. You live in the moment, carried away from who you are. 'Cause
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video I have some speed cleaning motivation for you. I hope this video motivates you and inspires you to tackle your to-do list. In today's video I'm going to be tackling my living room and my kitchen. We had some guests that were coming over and I needed to seriously power clean like just the most important spots in my house. In reality my whole house was trashed, but I really just wanted to tackle these two spaces as this is where like most people hang out. So, like I said, it's not going to be anything crazy today, but I am going to be, like I said, power cleaning my living room and kitchen. Feel free, guys. This is what I do with shorter cleaning videos: is use them as a timer to get as much stuff done as I can. So I hope you guys clean along with me. Definitely let me know down in the description box what you guys are doing, or if you're not cleaning along with me and you're just using this as motivation, let me know what you guys are going to be up to today and what you're going to be cleaning today. I would love to hear from you. So I'm going to let some music play and I'll be popping back in and out throughout the video. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoy. Please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it so I know that you like it, and let's get cleaning.
dreams and confusion. Oh yeah, it'll keep falling faster, straight for disaster.
So I visited my best friend the other day and she totally got me addicted to Hoarders. I watched Hoarders like when it first came out, like many, many years ago, when that was first coming out on like A&E and TLC and stuff like that. But I haven't watched it for years and years. But I went over to her house for coffee the other day, and she was watching it, and she's like, "Oh my goodness, it's the best! Like it motivates me to clean." And I'm hooked now. I don't know why. I'm hooked on Hoarders. Let me know if you guys like Hoarders or if there's any other things like other than like cleaning motivation videos that get you motivated to clean, like a Hoarders or something. I'm all about the motivation. I need as much motivation as I can possibly get.
The back and forth has got me so messed up. Don't ignore the signs. We've had enough of the whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have to feel?
Also, guys, I am totally stumped and I really need your help on a vacuum. So if you guys don't know, I have been in desperate need of a vacuum for like over a month now. It was probably like before Christmas. I currently have a like 5-year-old Shark Rocket, and it's treated me really well. It is a corded vacuum. Like I said, it's treated me really well, but I can just tell that it's failing, and I can't find another vacuum. I feel like every single vacuum has something wrong with it. Like there's always mixed reviews, and I just don't want to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on a Dyson. Definitely let me know what you guys' recommendations are because I am struggling and I'm just like, I cannot make a decision because it just feels like every single vacuum has something, like it has such mixed reviews. So let me know what vacuums you guys have. I really need advice here. So my living room is done and I'm going to be moving on into my kitchen. As I said, this is power cleaning, so don't expect like a really thorough deep clean or anything like that. I really almost like ran out of time when I was filming this video, so I just had to get it done. So I'm going to let some music play for the rest of the video. I hope this motivated you and inspired you guys. I hope you guys have a great Sunday and there's a great week ahead of you. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you in my next video.
I need to find a way. Find a way, find a way out. Find a way, find a way out. Find a way, find a way out. What's all this for? It's got me turned around, but I can't ignore the feelings that I found in this whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking? I need to find a way. Find a way. Find a way. Find a way out. Find a way out. Find a way out. Find a way out. Find a way out.
Why'd you have to make this so damn personal? I can see the demon in your eyes. You should know I never tried to hurt you. Can't believe the tears I've made you cry. Murder on the dance floor, murder on the dance floor. Who knew? Shining out of our flaws, do we ever tie? Kisses on the dance floor, kisses on the dance floor. We're through, or are we aimlessly just holding on for life? We're caught in a house fire. Are we Ooh, caught in a house fire. Broken glass and dishes on the table, dancing as our memories fade to black. Would never gave this shit a fucking label. Whatever we have's under attack. Yeah, murder on the dance floor, murder on the dance floor. Who do? Shouting out our love floors, do we ever tie? Kisses on the dance floor, kisses on the dance floor. We're through, or are we aimlessly just holding on for life? We're caught in a house fire. Ooh, caught in a house fire. We're caught in a house fire. Feel it sinking in jeopardy. I feel there's nothing else left for me. Pieces of nothings are all that remains. How can we possibly live in the flames? Can we just talk at a time when things are so dire? We're caught in a house fire. 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 Ooh, caught in a house fire. Take me higher, off the ground. We're on fire, but I need you now. Take me higher, off the ground. We're on fire, but I need you now. But I need you now. But I need you now.
time. Love ain't just a promise. Over your kind, losing my mind. Why can't you be honest? Changing your mind, wasting my time. Love ain't just a promise. Over your kind, losing my mind.